Well, hello, my pretties. If you like what you're going to hear right now about your landlord, your real landlord, being the one that charges you on the daily, not even the monthly, but on the daily, your real landlord is your health. So Tom Birkenmeier is my website, just like it's spelled here on social media, tombirkenmeier.com. I go into much more depth on that and other things if this turns you on. So it's like this. Every day your immune system is working innately to keep you healthy, and it requires things to do this, to give it the best shot possible. And so what's it look like if our landlord, our real landlord, which is our health, is telling us that, hey, your rent is due and it's due on a daily basis? It means that we don't really own our health. We own the decisions that we make in our lives around our health and other things, but we don't really own our health. We never have, we don't now, and we never ever will. So a real landlord, health, is saying on the daily, rent is due. And that rental payment is going to look like eating really good medicinal food. It's going to mean not stressing about anything and thinking good thoughts. It's going to mean laughing hysterically every day. A day without laughter is a day wasted. It's going to mean getting a good night's sleep every night. It's going to mean getting the appropriate physical activity and challenging your heart and lungs in the right way and your musculoskeletal and skeletal systems in the right way. And it's going to mean giving and receiving love every day, all day long. It's going to mean all of those things. That's what it means to pay your rent every day to your real landlord, health. And it also means, if you skip out on the rent and if you do it too frequently, then you just open up greater possibilities to get a disease and to be a customer of the pharmaceutical industry for the rest of your life, which they would love, because it's clear they prioritized making money over helping people by far and away. So who wants to prop up that industry? And the best way to bring that industry in is to, pay the rent on a daily basis. Be faithful with that. So that's a really cool, different way to look at it that you may not have heard it that way before. And I think it's pretty neat, so I wanted to share it with all of you. So what do I do? Since 2007, I help typically very busy people make much better money and live chemical-free, healthy lifestyles. And if that is a concept turns you on, feel free to reach out to me and I'll reach back to you with an article that I wrote. It takes about 10 minutes to read. And if there's anything in it that turns you on or sets you in a good direction, great. Just ask me for it. And add your feedback to this feed here about your thoughts on what I just said. Some tips you have, maybe some solutions you have, things you do on the daily basis that are ritualistic, that helps you avoid ever becoming a victim of the pharmaceutical industry or health insurance industry. Something that keeps you healthy and feeling good and looking good and performing good as you get older. Bye for now. Mwah.